Dear viewers, we have the problem cos square pi by 6 plus theta minus sin square pi by 6 minus theta is equal to. These are the options given. So we have this is cos square A minus sin square B is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. This is the formula. So A is equal to what? Pi by 6 plus theta, and B is equal to what? Pi by 6 minus theta. A plus B, A minus B. So A plus B is equal to pi by 6 plus theta plus pi by 6 minus theta. This one cancel. 2 into pi by 6. This is pi by 3. Okay, all of you. A minus B is equal to what? Pi by 6 plus theta plus pi by 6 minus theta, minus of pi by 6 minus theta is equal to pi by 6 plus theta, and minus pi by 6 plus theta. This one cancel, is equal to 2 theta. A minus B is equal to 2 theta. A plus B is equal to pi by 3. Then what we will have? Answer cos square pi by 6 plus theta minus sin square pi by 6 minus theta is equal to cos of A plus B. That means pi by 3 into cos 2 theta. Cos pi by 3 value, cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal to what? 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta is equal to this cos 1 by 2 cos 2 theta. So we have the options. So option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem in triangle ABC. Sigma sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B by cos square A minus cos square A into cos square B. So you observe here sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus cos square A. This is the formula. We have the formula sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus cos square A. So you apply this one, cos square B minus cos square A. So sigma, this is cos square B minus cos square A by what is cos square A into cos square A into cos square B. Sigma of cos square B by cos square A, cos square B. Cos square B cancel. 1 by cos square A minus 1 by cos square B. Okay, all of you. So sigma here A, B, C is there. We have A, B and BC and CA, like this we will get. So what can be written as 1 by cos square A minus 1 by cos square B plus 1 by cos square B minus 1 by cos square C plus 1 by cos square C minus 1 by cos square A. Okay, all of you. Cos square A minus cos square A, cos square B plus cos square B minus cos square B minus 1 by cos square B plus 1 by cos square B minus 1 by cos square C plus 1 by cos square C. So we have the answer 0. So we have the option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem, that is in a triangle ABC, sigma sin of A minus B by cos A cos B is equal to. So this sin of A minus B is equal to what? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So sigma, this is sin A cos B by denominator cos A cos B minus this is cos A sin B by denominator cos A cos B. This one cancel and this one cancel. Sin A by cos A is equal to what? Tan A minus sin B by cos B is equal to what? Tan B. So we have this is tan A minus tan B plus tan B minus tan C plus this is tan C minus tan A is there. So minus tan A plus tan A cancel, minus tan B plus tan B cancel, minus tan C plus tan C cancel. What we will have? 0 is the answer. So from these options, option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. So we have the problem tan 80 degrees minus tan 10 degrees by tan 70 degrees. So 80 degrees can be written as 70 degrees plus 10 degrees. Okay, all of you. So what we can written? Tan 80 degrees is equal to tan of 70 degrees plus 10 degrees. This is in the form of tan of A plus B is equal to what? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan. This is the formula for tan of A plus B. So tan 80 degrees is equal to this is tan 70 degrees plus tan 10 degrees by 1 minus tan 80 degrees into tan 70 degrees, 70 degrees into tan 10 degrees. Okay, all. So we have this one by cross multiplication. Tan 80 degrees minus tan 80 degrees into tan 70 degrees into tan 10 degrees is equal to tan 70 degrees plus tan 10 degrees. So you take tan 10 degrees into this side, this one into this side. What we will have? So tan 80 degrees minus tan 10 degrees equal to, you take into this side tan 70 degrees, tan 70 degrees. So tan 70 degrees as common. What we will have? Tan 70 degrees as common. 1 plus tan 80 degrees. Tan 80 degrees into tan 10 degrees is there. By cross multiplication, tan 80 degrees minus tan 10 degrees by tan 70 degrees is equal to 1 plus tan 80 degrees is there. Tan 80 degrees can be written as 90 minus 10, already tan 10 degrees is equal to 1 plus cot 10 degrees into tan 10 degrees. What is the value of cot theta into tan theta? 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So tan 80 degrees minus tan 10 degrees by tan 70 degrees is equal to 2. We have the option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. We have the problem cot pi plus theta into cot pi minus theta minus cot pi plus theta into cot pi by 4 plus theta cot pi by 4 minus theta is equal to. So here cot, this is in the form of cot A plus B is equal to what? Cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A, and cot of A minus B is equal to what? Cot B cot A plus 1 by this is cot B minus cot A. So we have the formulas. Okay, this can be written as cot pi by 4 into cot theta minus 1 by this as cot b. Cot theta minus plus cot pi by 4 into this as cot b, cot theta or cot pi by 4 into cot theta plus 1 by this is cot theta minus cot pi by 4. So here what cot pi by 4 value? Cot pi by 4 value 1. We know this one. We have to substitute here 1 into cot theta minus 1 by this is cot theta plus 1 into this is cot theta plus 1 by this is cot theta minus 1. This one cancel. Equal to answer 1. Answer 1. We have the option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you.